I am pleased to welcome the Associate Dean of Nursing for our Knoxville campus, Dr. Lisa Homa, and also the Assistant Dean of Nursing, Nurse Practitioner, Shelley Shimpert. Hi, ladies. What is the purpose of the TEAS test?
So it serves as a predictor of readiness for nursing coursework by assessing core skills that underline success in subjects like pharmacology, pathophysiology, and clinical reason. It is designed to measure basic foundational skills in four areas, and I'd like to just describe them for you so that you get a sense. So, the overall exam is a total of 170 questions. It's a 3.5 hour exam with one 10-minute break, and the areas consist of three sections of the exam, but section 2 and 3 do not count against those students. Those are for research purposes and seeing how students test. So just know that. And the most amount of questions is in the science area. There are 54 questions.
So, what do you suggest incoming students do to prepare for this test?
So, Kathleen, if I could just tell them that these topics that are in the TEAS, they actually have some general education classes that they will be taking prior to taking this assessment before entering the actual nursing courses. And they will help also to prepare them, especially for the science, because they'll take anatomy and physiology, they'll take a math class, they'll take an English class, and this will help them to score much higher and decrease some of that anxiety going in.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I think there's so many other opportunities for the students to sort of branch out a little bit because the TEAS exam itself has four sections: reading, math, science, and English language usage. So if I am possibly, let's say, better at math than science, should I be worried?
Yes, no, I'm just kidding. No, no, you really should not be worried. If you're someone who has weaker areas, and we all do, frankly, we all do, a great suggestion is for students to start by strengthening your weaker areas. Those, if you can strengthen a little bit, those will balance out your scores and increase your chances of success.
I want to underline 3.5 hours need to be dedicated to this exam. What are your suggestions on preparations?
So there's different ways you can look at it. Like I said, you'll be in some of those general education classes that will help. That is part of prepping for it. So we advise 6 weeks, and we have kind of a roadmap that'll help you with that. But basically, best advice I could give is start with short, consistent study sessions. Don't cram for it. This isn't one of those assessments that you can cram for.